Be ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Learned counsel for the contesting defendants, on the other hand, contended that the sale was made by delivery at possession, as the property in dispute was of the value of less than rupees 100, and as the vendee was in actual physical possession of the property in dispute, the delivery of possession within the meaning of section 54 of the Transfer of Property Act was completed by the declaration of the vendor, coupled with the delivery of the earlier patta, which brought about the change in the nature of possession. Stop. It was urged that the unregistered sale deed was admissible in evidence, at least to look into the nature of possession within the meaning of the proviso to section 49 of the Registration Act. Stop. Learned counsel further submitted that all the necessary facts for raising a plea of part performance were contained in the pleadings, and as such the first appellate court was justified in allowing the respondents to raise the plea of part performance by way of defense at the appellate stage, and that the plea of adverse possession, though raised in the written statement, was given up by the contesting defendants at the trial stage, and no evidence was laid in support thereof by the defendants. Stop. Section 54 of the Transfer of Property Act defines sale as a transfer of ownership in exchange for a price paid or promised, or part paid and part promised. Stop. The aforesaid section further proceeds to lay down in the following terms as to how a sale can be made. Stop para. Such transfer in the case of tangible immovable property of the value of 100 rupees and upwards, or in the case of a reversion or other intangible thing, can he made only be a registered instrument. Stop. In the case of tangible immovable property of a value less than 100 rupees, such transfer may be made either by a registered instrument or by delivery of the property. Stop. Delivery of tangible immovable property takes place when the seller places the buyer or such person as he directs in possession of the property. Stop. The Judicial Committee of the Privy Council considered the question of sale of immovable property of the value of less than rupees 100 in Mathura Prasad versus Chandra Narayan Chaudhary, AIR 1921, PC 8. Stop. In that case, the question which arose before their lordships of the Privy Council for consideration was as to whether the mortgaged bond in respect of the property. Stop and over.